everybody, this is Howard Livingston, or Papa Howie, and Michael. We're here in Summerlin Key, Florida, down in the Florida Keys, where the Weather Channel brought us a guaranteed white Christmas right here in this backyard. But right now, we've got a guaranteed tropical storm heading our way called Bonnie. We've made all the preparations. We've got our furniture in, have our shutters up, generators ready to go, and we'll get back to you later. This is the calm before the storm, if you will, but we'll get back to you later with what's going on. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, Annabert. Bye-bye.